What I like the most about my role is the fact that I have this opportunity to work on very innovative projects, finding out of the box and unconventional ways to solve the problems. The fact that I see myself as part of the community that affecting and impacting the people's life, this is something that makes me fulfilled and gives me a sense of purpose. How about you?
I love the fact that I'm given so much responsibility for how our team works and how we approach various problems.
Actually, I think our team and in general our company, we have a very supporting culture. So people really support each other. They try to solve the problems together. It's very collaborative. This is something that you cannot find everywhere. And we have a very open and respectful dialogue with my colleagues, with the leadership team, which can bring our ideas and talk about those things. Because all companies talking about the cultures, but not all companies value the cultures.
People always talk about how the people are the best part of a company, and here I find that the people are not only smart and hardworking, but they're also very interested in impacting their community in a positive way.
Yeah.
So there are a lot of people that are really interested in, outreach as far as like STEM goes, or some other types of activities to reach out into the community and make sure that we're not just existing here, but we're actually impacting the community in a positive way.